let me fucking come out of nowhere on your ass. Oh shit. Let's go, come on. Come on, baby. Do it for daddy. Do it for dad. We got this, baby. We are a dream team. I'm going to Burger King right now. We in this bitch. Let's go. We are the dream team. You can go, you little piece of shit. God, this guy's so fucking... This light has been red for like the past 20 fucking minutes. I'm getting so tired of this shit. This is bullshit. Police coming straight from the underground. Oh no, the police is up there. Police is up there. The police is up there. Hell no. Give you if we're trying, so we're breaking free. Hurry up, ho. Yeah, ho. Oh, that guy's so cool. I wish I could be him. Why are we turning? Yeah, bitch. I am a smart and safe driver. You didn't use your blinker? You didn't use your blinker, bitch. One day, I'm just gonna shit my fuck. I swear to God. Every light I've pulled up at so far has been fucking red. You know, y'all can turn, right? Come on. Here. Again, with the red lights. But I'm turning right, and this guy better know what the fuck he's doing. Alright, here we go. Here we go, baby. Yeah. Yeah. All this angry driving got me hungry in this bitch. All kinds of hungers. All kinds. I would eat it in the car, but I'm not a fucking animal. Yeah, man, I got the food, man. That food has all kinds of flavor. I'm not gonna eat it in the car because I'm not fucking Neanderthal. But, oh shit, speed bump. Damn. Where's the exit out this bitch? Can't find my way out the parking lot. Oh, there it is. There it go. Oh, you can't get more perfect than that, baby. Yeah. 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 Life is a highway. you all night long. Get it gone. Life is a highway. Never fucking fails. Every fucking light is red out this bitch. You gotta drop 2 hands on the wheel, son. 2 hands, just like your peepaw taught you. Just like your peepaw taught you. I'm hungry out this bitch. Hurry up, I wanna go home so I can eat. Yeah. Oh, they get to go first? This is racist. It's because I'm Native American. And they're not. Again. Fucking red light. Oh my god. Have you ever seen someone do that? Just catch it one-handed? No? Just me? Well, I'm a fucking champion. Alright? I am a god amongst men. I am a fucking genius, and there is nothing you can say nor do that'll counteract that, bitch. Oh yeah, fucking in there like swimwear. Get out of here, Cadillac. I will hit your ass right there. Oh, I'm fucking in there. I'm fucking in there like swimwear. Oh yeah. Oh, I just had an orgasm. I was pointing it towards the ceiling because I was focused on driving. Oh yeah. I'm fucking in there like swimwear. I'm so happy. Don't forget to fucking like the video, comment the video. If you want to see more, bitch, you gotta subscribe, alright, yo? And I will see you nasty freaks next week. Don't be like me and fucking film yourself driving, because this is not a safe thing. This is actually extremely dangerous, and I do not try this shit at home. It is extremely dangerous, and I am not held responsible for any stupid assholes trying to copy